So my name is Hannah Brown. I'm the General Manager of Sego. We're a software engineering, DevOps and automation consultancy based in Melbourne and an advanced Amazon partner.
And where does the name Sego come from, Hannah? Is it Latin for something?
There's no magic behind it. It was a simple name that was drummed up by people, including another Amazon partner, Nikki Bowers from Cloud, who used to be a part of the parent company behind Sego. It was really about finding a name that 5 people could agree on in the early days, and that we could build our own story around, really.
Well, we might come back to you, Hannah. I'm really interested to hear about a couple of examples of how you're collaborating with your customers to innovate and,
So John, I loved your definition of innovation, which was change with impact. And I wanted to talk about one of our customers who's a startup. We've helped them bring a platform to market that works with fast-moving consumer goods organisations aside from Coles and Woolies. So you're talking the Foodworks, the IGAs of this world. And it's a marketplace platform that allows them to access suppliers to provide goods for their shelves and doesn't clip the ticket along the way and then manages the transport and logistics. So you're talking about not the Coles and Woolies FMCG retailers, but giving that next tier of FMCG organisations that competitive edge in the transport logistics market to have the products they need at the place they need when they need it at a cost that keeps them very competitive with Coles and Woolworths. So that for me is classic example of innovation. That's a market-leading organisation, Metcash, who haven't necessarily leveraged technology as robustly as they might have to deliver value for their end customers. So a disruptive, lean, nimble, innovative player sees that market opportunity, brings a new business model to market quickly using partners like ourselves and another of the Amazon partners, Dias. We're involved in that engagement as well, to bring that platform to market quickly and assist those organisations and change the way that business model works. But another example, and this came from one of our colleagues who suggested actually that innovation on existing platforms can give you more bang for buck than the big shiny, he called it. We're working with an enterprise client. They're one of the most recognisable brands in Australia, and we're helping move them off IBM's woefully inadequate and disappointing infrastructure to Amazon. And I'm very excited about that customer. I'm very excited about that customer. This is going to take them from, something ridiculous life cycle-wise, like twice yearly deployments, to a full continuous delivery model. It's going to allow them to own their customer journey in their digital channels. It's going to see dramatic increases in the revenue that they generate through those online channels and allow them to maintain the intellectual property to control that customer journey online. And that's something that they've not been able to do without someone like Amazon and a partner like ourselves. So I can't wait to talk a bit more about that story. The Sego brand is really around enablement and innovation. Our key differentiator in this partner ecosystem is building the Amazon skills and capabilities with our customers so that they can own this journey going forward. And I think, I'm chuffed to be an Amazon Advanced partner. I think there's no company in the world that's doing more to drive a progressive agenda at board and executive level with technology than this organisation. So yeah, we're absolutely rapt to be here. Thanks for having us on the panel. Our concepts that we're thrashing around a little bit is the idea of FinOps, and it's educating chief financial officers on exactly what this model of business looks like. How we can bring innovation, not just in the technology space around the cool tools that we're using, but business model innovation, operating model innovation, and how that you can become a truly agile and innovative organisation in that you are ready to pivot when market opportunity presents, and you are not concerned about being disrupted because you are the disruptor. And that fundamentally undermines so much of our current business landscape and all of the rules and cadence and governance and process and structure that we've put in place to build these big organisations, and it's getting blown away. So helping our customers work through that is absolutely at the core of what we in the Amazon partner ecosystem should be doing.